Sections refer to the individual sections or classes from your large class list. This could be Mrs. Smith's third grade class or your Period 1 Smart Lab elective. You can access your sections by opening up your school course, clicking on class management, and then clicking on sections. Depending on your rostering method, your students may already be organized into sections. When you click on sections, you will see a list of all of your sections labeled as your school labels your sections or periods. When you see your different classes or periods listed when you click sections, like you see here, you may go ahead and skip the rest of this video and move on to the next. If you do not see your classes or periods listed, continue watching to learn how to organize your large class list into individual sections. So please pause this video to determine if your class list has already been organized into sections. Organizing your class list into sections will take time at the beginning of the year, but once you're done, you'll be set for the rest of the year. To organize your class list into sections, you'll need to ensure that you have clicked on sections in your school course. First, you're going to have to create each section or class that you're going to see in your Smart Lab. So you'll click on Add Section, and you can go ahead and name your section. So maybe I'll just name mine Period 1. You can set a section code, so just a smaller version of your section name. So I might just say Period 1. And you can also add a description. So maybe your Period 1 class changes every quarter. So you may want to put that as a reminder for yourself that this is my Period 1 for quarter 1. When you're ready, you can go ahead and click Add. After you have done this for every single one of your sections or classes, it's now time to enroll students into that section. When you're ready to do that, you simply just need to click the checkbox next to that section name and click Enroll. You're going to be taken to your large class list, and you will have to scroll through and find the students that happen to be in that section. I suggest making sure you have your roster for each section or class accessible during this task just to make your work go a little bit faster. So you'll just go ahead and click on the checkbox next to the student name to enroll them in that section. You can also search for student names in the search bar, again, to make this a little bit faster. Once you have added all the students to that specific section, you can scroll and click Save. You'll then see I just enrolled 5 users into this section. When you click on the 5, you can go ahead and double check everyone that you wanted to enroll in that section was indeed enrolled. You'll have to repeat this process for each section or class or period that you see in your Smart Lab.